Let's fix if your App Store account is disabled. Now, if you're on App Store, you're trying to download, install a new app, but it keeps saying that your account is disabled, you might be seeing a message that looks like this. Your account has been disabled in the App Store or the iTunes. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, the very first thing that we'll do is, of course, if you go into the App Store here, if it asks you to do anything like verify your email address, your phone number, any of those different things, just go through those steps to be able to get it basically recovered and your account back. But the next thing that we'll do is we will hop into settings here and we'll tap on our name at the very top. Now on here, we can tap on payment and shipping. The key here is that a lot of times App Store accounts are disabled because either the payment method, your card on file, or the shipping address is wrong. So if you go into this page and it pops up with an option basically that says you need to update your credit card, maybe it expired, or you need to update your address, just update those different things and Apple should be able to restore your account. Now, the last thing that you can do is if you go through these different steps and your account is still disabled, then you can always reach out to Apple directly. So go to a web browser and just type in App Store account disabled. And at the very top, it says if you get that message, you can just click here and you can hit Contact Apple Support. So the nice thing is that you can start a chat in messages, hit start a chat. They will text you back and forth and help you to get your App Store account basically recovered and remove that disabled status on your account. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.